Good morning guys, Dennis here, your DIY man. Today we will be working on our bike, no? As you see, it's in my back. Simple issue lang naman yung na-encounter ko sa kanya last night. The headlight failed, no? Namatay yung headlight natin. So we will be working on the cause. We will find out what's the cause and we will repair kung ano man yun. Maybe it's some loose connection or baka may naputol na wire. So samahan nyo ako guys today as we work on the headlight of our Superlight 200. So right now all the wires were already unpacked, no? To see baka may mga loose connections lang tayo dito, okay, or mga plugs that were yung mga socket na na-unplug, okay. Ito talagang walang laman to, no? This is spare, no, socket para sa ilaw natin diyan. Okay, so unang gagawin natin dito most likely is to take out, no, tanggalin yung socket ng headlight and then we will take out the headlight itself. Kasi ano to eh, 1 bolt lang to, then it may fall. So ito yung headlight itself and then the wiring socket. Okay, so it looks like sa modification naka-connect lang siya, right? So dun sa socket natin, the first thing that we need to check is may voltahe ba yung wire natin once that we switch on the key and we turn on the headlight. So it's on. Yan, binuksan ko na yung headlight itself. Now the next thing to do is to check yung voltage. Okay, so in the socket we connected the negative, no? Yan, and then yun lang yung ating probe putol. So naka-dim siya ngayon. So tingnan natin. Yun. So yung dim natin may voltahe. Let's check naman yung high or yung bright. Kabit natin ulit yung probe natin. Then yun, meron din voltahe yung bright nya. So in any case wala dun sa main going to the socket yung problem natin. So most likely nandito yung problema, no? So dismantle natin yan. Let's find out.
A few moments later.
That is, ayan, putol yung wire niya. Hindi pala siya nakahinang. So yan ang gagawin natin. Sisecure na natin siya. Ihinang na natin para proper yung connection plus yung isolation niya, no? Dito nakakabit yan eh. Ayan, no? Medyo nalabas tuloy lahat yung wire. Pala, ito lang yung problema. So yan, hinang na yung tatlo. So na-test ko na din kung alin yung bright, alin yung low, and then of course yung negative. So babalot ko na siya. Okay, it's time to put back the headlight, guys. So tulad nung pagtatanggal natin, kailangan ingat din tayo pagbabalik nito, no? Baka malaglag, sayang, matasag din yung headlight natin. That's it. So it's time to test the headlight, guys. So this is the dim, and then this is the bright, dim again. So it's all good na. So for now, okay na yung headlight natin, and syempre babalik na natin yung mga wirings and everything inside. Tatak in na natin siya, so, para ready to ride na ulit. Thank you for watching, guys, and hope to see you again. Just like, subscribe, and click that bell button, plus leave comment. See you.